All right, so previously on the channel, I have showed you some Harbor Freight builds. Today, very fast video on something that you might have never thought you could do with this little magnetic organizing tray right here. Now, these were all on sale for the US General Magnetic weekend, where they had like 25% off, so I picked up this tray. Let's go over here and I'm gonna show you something you could do with this that you might have never thought of. All right, previously I've showed you how we did this bar. I've showed you putting cabinets up. I've showed you the mini toolbox build. I've showed you the bolt bin organizer that's over here. Come down here. So we are going inside of our cabinet. Now we've got a couple things right here, some little odds and ends, all right, that they don't have 100% spot. So one thing is the keys, and then some little pieces like this. This is the rebuild a jack, and this is some Paint and Paper Hustle stickers. So we don't have nowhere great to store this little fast stuff. Now we did put our glove bin right here inside the locker, and we've got our magnetic trays here, and then some artwork for my kid, and of course you got a drawer. But this is what I like to do with this guy right here, is go and stick this sucker. Yeah, you're probably already exiting out the video because you're like, oh, now I know. Stick it up like that, all right? And now you can put you some little stuff up inside your cabinet like that, and you can, it still allows you to get these boxes out, all of that. But if you have a little bit of wasted space because of some weird, you know, box like this that doesn't go all the way up, and you have a tray, you could do that. Even when you get to work, if you have a clip on your keys, you can hang your keys off of this if you put it all the way to the back, where your keys are nice and safe inside of the box. Another thing that I like to do with these is we go up in here. I've got another one put up here in my cabinet, and it's actually labeled keys. So this thing literally is slam full of all of my toolbox keys. So every toolbox key is to the house. That's the lock thing, house keys. All my keys are literally just inside of one of these magnetic trays. So these trays don't have to be for, you know, just the screwdrivers and stuff like that. You can use them inside your cabinets for super easy shelves. So hopefully this gets your creative juices flowing, where you think a little bit more. Instead of putting them on the outside of the box like everybody always does, put them on the inside of the box as little shelves. One, I need to actually buy one more because one would fit perfect right here. Let's see if we move this sucker. Might go back this weekend and buy one more. Wow, look at that. Holy crap, that's actually surprising. That thing actually fits up there. Yeah, we're gonna have to go back and buy another one. That thing fits really good in the top because the top is so high that it literally is almost the height of this little piece right here. That's nice, man. Look at that. You could fit all kinds of stuff up there. That's man, we're gonna have to literally go buy one more. This is where I like to also put the little label on here, so I remember what's in here, so I don't have to take this thing down and look at it, which this one is just little odds and ends. But hopefully you get the gist. Hit that like button if this helped you get your creative juices flowing. That lets me know to keep making these videos, to keep helping people out. And as always, I hope to catch y'all in the next video. Thanks.